In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your HubSpot knowledge base. Whether you're looking to refresh the look of your page or align it better with your branding, these simple steps will guide you through the process. First, let's get logged into your HubSpot account and navigate to the knowledge base section. You'll do this by selecting Service from the main dashboard menu, then clicking on Knowledge Base. This section is where all the magic happens in organizing and presenting information to your users effectively. It's a powerful tool to ensure they can find the answers they're looking for quickly and easily. Next, it's time to choose a template that fits your vision for the knowledge-based customization. HubSpot offers a variety of templates, ensuring there's something to match your brand style and needs. Once you've selected a template that suits you, it's time for some customization. You'll notice that HubSpot offers both a drag and drop editor and an HTML CSS editor for making adjustments. If you're more comfortable with a straightforward visual approach, the drag and drop editor is your friend. It allows you to modify the layout, colors, and fonts right there in front of you, making the process both intuitive and efficient. If you're aiming for more nuanced customization and you have some web design experience, you might prefer to use the HTML CSS editor for a more hands-on approach. This option offers greater control over the specific details of your layout and style, allowing you greater creative flexibility. Next, enhance your knowledge base by adding your company logo. Branding is important for recognizability and unity across platforms, and having your logo prominently displayed can provide users with a sense of assurance that they're in the right place for the help they need. You'll also want to think about customizing the header and footer. Ensure that these elements reflect your brand's tone and message while improving the usability of your page. Meanwhile, consider how you want articles displayed. Making adjustments to the article display settings can affect how easily information can be consumed, so make sure it's appealing and accessible to your viewers. Now that we've gone through that editing, it's incredibly important to preview the changes you've made. This step helps ensure that everything looks and operates the way you expect it to. Take your time to go through this process, checking that the visual changes enhance the user experience and that any new functionality works smoothly. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks and functions, it's time to publish your updated knowledge base. Publishing will make all those changes live for your users, providing them instantly with a fresh, personalized, and hopefully more user-friendly experience. Congratulations, you've just customized your HubSpot knowledge base. With these changes, you'll likely see a boost in the engagement and satisfaction levels from those looking for the valuable information you provide. Keep these steps in mind whenever you wish to update or refine the site further. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.